When life gives you a broken bridge, find a new path to find your way back to the place that you want to be. So today, I'm at Lion Gorge Park, or Nature Preserve, and I had to find a different route to get to these staircases. That is kind of how life is. Sometimes we have to find, if one way is blocked, we have to look for a different way to get to where we want to go. That life is full of struggle and outcomes that we don't know. And the people that grow are the ones that are willing to take the change, risk, and impossible tasks of looking for a different path to a place that could be absolutely amazingly gorgeous. And that is how life is all the time. Things don't come easy. Life is meant for learning, growing, evolving, and changing. Earlier today, and I'm probably going to just show a picture of it, I went to the clinic and I saw the bench that says "You were never broken." And 12 years ago, I received a pretty severe injury. I tore both of my hips. And I felt pretty useless, pretty depressed, and didn't know what to do. And that type of injury, I can tell you, is literally life-changing. It can literally change your whole life and how you view the world. Things that you are going to miss out on because of an injury that literally made you handicapped. I couldn't do stairs. I couldn't hardly walk. I could barely sit. And it was all taken from me. And I literally wanted it back. And my will to power, let's get in with talking about Friedrich Nietzsche. My will to power of trying to get better and get my life back was incredible. It literally took me 3 years, 2 surgeries, and a lot of PT to get where I was today. So it's like when the world hands you lemons, you make lemonade. You don't sit there and wonder. You start problem solving, start asking questions. What could I do? What can I do different? Communicate with people that can help you, that's been there, that choose a better road, and actually listen. I talk to so many people sometimes that they don't care to even listen. I've told people, yes, I have been on welfare. Yes, I know what a welfare Christmas is like. And yes, I even know what I did to succeed in life to get where I am today. And today, I can tell you, I have a well-paying job. Even 12 years ago, my well-paying job, I was afraid. Oh, geez. I couldn't tell you how afraid I was. Even with my job, I was afraid that I was going to be absolutely useless. But I wanted to walk again, so I did everything. I even did research on the vitamins, supplements I needed to take to help my injury to get better and what I needed to do for myself. And some of the stuff I didn't even like and enjoy because it was so painful that words can't even describe what I was going through. But it's really, what doesn't kill you can only make you stronger. And as long as you choose to be where you're at and choose to change and have the courage to change, then you're going to be stuck in this rut of uncertain and never find yourself all the way out of the woods and into the light. Or literally taking a bunch of stairs down to a beach that you remember when you were a kid. 12 years ago, or 13 years ago, or whenever that was, I could never imagine just walking down those stairs that I just did and get back up and see this view. And the lake is extremely beautiful, but I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye. I have a story about this bench right here. 12 years ago, I tore both of my hips and had to have surgery on both of them. And every day I walked past this bench, it said, never broken. And it meant the world to me. It gave me encouragement, and it made me the person I am today. Even struggling through that injury, it made me stronger. It told me I could get through any with the right tools, the right understanding, and doing research and understanding my problems. So every time I come back to this clinic and see the bench that said never broken, it reminds me of that time I struggled so much. And I hope this gives you hope and courage that nothing's impossible. You're never broken as long as you keep on fighting. Take care.